Only person who is in dark will have always Shatru. I get enlightened myself so that I have no enemies. Mama Shatru Vinashaya. My own enemy I am killing. Who is my enemy?
Ego.
Ego. Anger.
My Manas. You are my enemy because in my Manas there is a concept that you are my enemy. Otherwise you are not my enemy. Maybe somebody, I feel that he is my enemy, but he may never feel that he is my enemy. So enmity is in you. So kill your enmity. That's what it shows. Then you are supposed to take food, While taking food, Brahmarpanam Brahmahavir Brahmagno Brahmanahudam Brahmaiva Tena Gandhavyam Brahma Karma Samadhina. Brahmarpanam means Brahma. The Brahma's job is to give creativity. Why you are eating?
To survive.
Energy.
Why? What energy you want?
To work.
To work? Yeah. Why are you eating? Deepa? Because you are hungry. Why are you eating?
To strength.
For strength. What strength you want?
For everyday activities.
For activities. If you ask me, why are you? To give me good power to think. Understood the difference? A casual laborer eats. What for he is eating? Physical strength. What strength you want in your life? You want to be physically strong? Then you eat. The people who want physical strength, you have got a diet.
Yes.
Are you eating the same thing?
No.
No.
So are you eating for physical strength?
No.
No.
Just survival is any animal. Okay.
Yes.
As a human being, I want to be creative. So why are you eating? To become creative. How do you become creative? A small potential should grow in you. Every grain is like that. It has a small potential. Once it is put, it grows. So you should eat only such things which grows in you. Energy is there. Any seed is a condensed energy source. Yes or no? Because a small seed also has got a plant within inside. The energy to grow is there, right?
Yes.
So what you should eat is that which gives you energy to grow. Brahmarpanam, Brahmahavir, Brahmagno, Brahmanahudam, Brahmaiva Tena Gandhavyam. That's what I am giving to Brahma. The havis means which is put into fire. That is what I am putting into my fire. My fireplace is this. Because whatever you put here, it have a dahanam.
Yes.
Firing place. This is called a firing place. So I am putting inside this to have dahanam. With that purpose I am eating. Brahmarpanam, Brahmahavir, Brahmagno, Brahmanahudam, Brahmaiva Tena Gandhavyam, Brahma Karma Samadhina. Then next, while studying, do anything related to
Saraswati.
One principle behind learning, you should, nice way to learn is to face towards east or west or to north, never towards south. Concentration will become more. And while studying, best thing is to, I don't know whether you have seen, whenever I chant, automatically my hand will go like this. That's because your concentration will improve.
Dhyana Mudra.
Dhyana Mudra. Jnana Mudra is also called Dhyana Mudra. Dhyanam is concentration.
Yes.
Jnanam is also
Knowledge.
Wisdom.
knowledge. Knowledge will come only when you have concentration. So Jnana Mudra and Dhyana Mudra, both are this. Chin Mudra is also called Chin Mudra. So with this mudra you should learn. That's why most of the Swamijis when they keep book here, they will chant like this. They will sit like this. And backside should be straight.
Yes.
This is the best posture to sit because your whole energy will be condensed here. Sitting posture, this is the best posture. Minimum body space is required for this. If you sit like this, minimum body posture, right? You don't require large space too. So minimum body is you are condensing your energy inside. So whatever you do will be inside. So while studying, you are praying Saraswati. Saraswati is the
Goddess of
Goddess
education.
of education.
and wife of creativity.
Brahma.
Therefore, wherever you have creativity, next you should have education. So Saraswati is anything. Many people know.
Saraswati Namastupyam.
Namastubyam,
Varade Kamarupini.
Varade Kamarupini,
Vidyarambam Karishyami.
Siddhir Bhavati Maisa.
Siddhir Bhavati. Okay. So you need Siddhi every time, and you need Kamam. Kamam is what?
Siddhis.
Siddhi is what? Blessings. Okay. And you want desire. You want desire and blessings for that. A person who have no desire, no question, no learning. So you are asking goddess to ask a lot of questions inside.